Are bicyclists required to wear helmets and safety gear in Arizona? Attorney Kelly Durham explains that. Arizona does not currently have a state law requiring cyclists to use a helmet or other safety gear. However, some cities and municipalities do have mandatory helmet laws. It is important to be familiar with the regulations of the area you will be riding in order to be compliant with the specific law or regulation. It is important to contact knowledgeable bicycle attorneys immediately following a bicycle collision so you know your rights under the law and protect those rights to get the settlement you deserve. If you were involved in a bicycle collision and were not wearing a helmet, this could significantly affect your case depending on where the collision occurred. It is important to contact a knowledgeable bicycle attorney immediately following a bicycle collision so you know your rights under the law and protect those rights to get the settlement you deserve. Contact Attorney Kelly Durham in Arizona today. Her personal efforts have produced many successful settlements in personal injury cases.